Hi class, it's the end of the week, end of the first week, and I know that there was a lot of questions about some of the key parts, including the weekly schedule that said you were to create a video, and it's now Friday and I haven't posted anything about the video. So the intent was that you were going to introduce yourself using a video because we're going to try and use that through discussions and a number of other assignments. And you'll see me doing videos like this, and it just allows us to actually see people rather than just read their work. So unfortunately, I didn't get this up on time, but we're going to practice it next week. It's not a formal assignment. It's just something I want you to practice. So I'm going to go through a few things that I really need you to know about electronic learning and submission of assignments before we really get too far. So I've created this list of things that I'm going to go through in this video. So if you're looking for something a little further down the list, then you can skip through most of the first parts here. So the very first thing that I want to state is that when you hand in something, I cannot open Mac programs. I'm a PC user, so if you are using a Mac computer and you have pages or you have some sort of document that is exclusive to Mac, before you hand it in, you must save it as a PDF or RTF or in a different program that I can open. I can open Word documents and pretty much anything like a PDF or a Google document, but I can't open anything to do with Mac. I just helped a student with this, so I just wanted to make sure you know it as well. There are a number of features that are used within this program that we need to use our Google Apps account, which is the account that you were given to log in. Many of you within our board, the HPE DSB board, have already been given this, and many of you who are coming from outside of our board were given that account when you first logged in. You can use that apps account or you can use your own Google account, whatever you would like to do. So I'd like you to access and activate the Google widget on your account. So I'm just going to show you quickly where to find that. Why you're going to do that is because this way, if you type up a Google Doc or you do something in Google, that it already has access to your account, so that if you type up a document that you're going to submit, you literally just get to go into your drive instead of saving it and then uploading it and trying to go through a lot of steps just to hand in an assignment. So on your course homepage, I'm impersonating a student right now just so you would see what it looks like, is that you're going to go to the right-hand side, and where it says Access Google Apps, you're going to click on your Google Apps account, and you're going to activate your account. It's just a couple of blue buttons that you have to go through, and that will allow you, when you go to hand in an assignment, it will allow you to access your Google Drive. So if you could do that really quickly within that first week that we're getting into Unit 1, it's on the course homepage, and just click on the link to your Google Apps account. All right, the other thing that I would like you to think about doing is, in order to make videos and to access them and to share them really easily so that everyone has the same format in which to watch the video, is to access your YouTube account. So through your Apps account or your Google account, you have access to YouTube, and you can make your own channel. And so it'd be really beneficial if you could do that so that you have an easy way to upload and share your information. So I'm going to talk a little bit more about making videos and why Google is so important, is that many of the programs that we're going to be using externally from the online learning forum use Google as a sign-in forum, and then you can save them to your drive and upload them to and put them into your Dropbox. So having your Google account ready to go is a really good idea. All right, so these are things that I want you to think about in terms of recording a video. I'm currently right now using Screencast-O-Matic. It's what I've been using for about 3 or 4 years, and it's what I'm familiar with. I have tried every other thing and realize it's just what I like. I go to screencastify.com, I set up my account. I additionally have to sometimes upload the recorder and download stuff to my computer, but I can make as many videos as I want, and after I record, it has a quick little screen that I can name it and send it to my YouTube account now that it's been entered in there. Screencastify is a Google extension app. So what I did is I went into my apps right here. You can even type in Screencastify right up here. But I went into my app store, clicked on the web Chrome store, and in the search engine, it has a little search right up at the top. I typed in screencastify. And all I have to do, now I can go to screencastify.com. I don't really have to download the app to my Google account, but it makes it really quick for logging in because it will always keep me logged in. Screencastify works really well with Google, and it saves the video to your drive so that you can always keep that file and you can upload it using the shareable link from your Google Drive. And all I have to do, I can either go to screencastify.com and log in with my Google account, or I can go in through the apps, the web Chrome store, and add it to my Chrome. So what happens there is when I bring up an extra tab, I can simply go to my apps. This will show you all the things that I've downloaded, some of my favorite apps, so that I can use them. I have 2 pages worth, and it should be somewhere in here. It may just be hidden a little, but Screencastify should be downloaded, and I can find it there, or I can just type in screencastify.com. When you use Screencastify, it will show up in your bookmarks. These are all my extension apps right up here, Google Read and Write, and going across. And when I open Screencastify, it will use my Google account. With Screencastify and Screencast-O-Matic, you can choose whether you have your picture shown in the corner. Typically, I've made videos where my face is not there. I'm looking especially beautiful in this heat today. So sometimes I choose not to have my face, but other times I want you to see that there's actually a person here. Okay? So you can choose if you just want it to screen, or whether you want both, or you just want your face and you talk to them like they're an audience and this is a TED Talk. So you can sign in with your Google account, you make your video, and then save it to your Google Drive, and then you can upload it or share it from there. If you don't have a laptop with a webcam and you don't have the ability to talk and or listen on your laptop for a variety of reasons, another way that you can do it is by making a video on your phone and having your YouTube account that you can upload it to using your phone. If you have problems doing that, I can make an individual video just for you to show you how you can do that on your phone. But again, the key factor there, a video on your phone may be too big of a file to send, so you need to make sure that you have the availability of YouTube to upload it to, just so that you have a common forum in which we can all view your videos. Okay, I heard you can do it right within the YouTube account. I'm not as familiar with that, but I know you can do that. And the other quick thing that I wanted to show you, I'm impersonating a student here, and so I've got what I talked about before. I want them to link to their Google account. Within discussions, you actually have the option of making a video, and I would, in the very near future, you're going to be requested to make a video. You can either do it like this, where you're using one of those programs, or you can actually do it within this actual discussion app. So when you click on it, this is the first discussion that we have, and you want to start a new thread. That in addition, I think it was called Finding Meaning, that if I don't want to type up the information right here, I can actually go to hide attachment or into attachments, and I can actually record a video. I don't know if it's going to do this because I'm already recording a video. It might take a while. Yeah, because it's already being used. But you can actually record it. Normally it will just show right up here. You can record it and then upload it so that you can just do it right within there. The other thing you can do is what I'm going to do is using the link. I'm going to post it in here so that people can actually view your particular video if you've uploaded it to YouTube. So if you've got it saved as a file that can open as a VLC, you can also do that as well. So I think I've covered most things, right? I've talked about how there are certain programs that I can and cannot open. It's really good to activate your YouTube accounts and specifically get your widgets ready and set up to access your Google account. And that throughout the course, I'm going to be asking you to make videos or to show your face so that you can talk to other students. So finding a way that works best is what I would like you to discover. That's your weekend homework, and if you don't get it done, then we're going to explore it on Monday. So hope that helps. Hope that helps you see what we need to be doing and what I should have been posting a little bit earlier. So have a great day, and I will see you on Monday with Unit 1, Activity 1. Bye.